Hello viewers, I am your daily newsboy, so let's see news.
So the title is 6 tourists drown in Chhattisgarh's Ramdaha waterfall, 1 rescued. So news is saying 6 people died after drowning in the Ramdaha waterfall in the Korea district of Chhattisgarh on Sunday. 1 person was saved by officials during a rescue operation. According to Korea DM Kuldeep Sharma, the deceased were residents of Madhya Pradesh's Singaroili. As per reports, around 12 people belonging to 3 different families were visiting the waterfall for a picnic.
So that was for now guys, hit that like and subscribe button for more news. Thanks for watching.